Itua ria thirikari ria kuiga arutani ya JSS rungu rwa thukuru cia muthingi ni undu ururumurite marakara kuma kuri arutani ya JSS rungu rwa kiama gia KUPPET o makiendekithia JSS IRAMATWO iri KIUMBE. Kaunti-ini ya Machakos arutani aya maugite gutukanio gwacio ni kurehete ihingica nyingi mathomo-ini matiganite. Riu makienda thirikari yarire mibango KIUMBE niguo merugamie mategutukanio na utongoria wa thukuru cia muthingi.
We have teachers who are deployed to secondary school. They are at the level of heads of departments in secondary schools. They were deployed from primary schools. Why can't they be brought back to JSS and handle matters of administration?
Ndipo tunaambia president wetu, sisi kama walimu wa JSS tunataka kujitegemea.
Ikawaje pale tuko michezoni na wale ambao ni viongozi wa michezo ni wale walimu wa primary. Hatuelewi sijui serikali imetupangia lipi hili.
At the moment there is a lot of confusion. Starting from the entire administration of these schools to how sports and co-curriculum activities are managed. This is affecting not only the teachers but also the learners.
Atagoretio ni mwandiki munene wa KUPPET kaunti-ini ya Machakos, arutani maugite makoretwo magikuithio murigo murito wa guthomithia lessons 45 guku aruna ao a thukuru cia muthingi marathomithia lessons 25 hari kiumia. Riu makienda kamiti ya kwandika arutani TSC na ministry ya githomo gwetha kihonia kigie JSS.
How does a teacher teaching 45 lessons and still running other school programs get same assessment targets with another teacher having 24 lessons elsewhere? Conclusion: KUPPET Machakos branch urges the Ministry of Education and the Teacher Service Commission to urgently address these issues for the welfare of teachers and learners.
Kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu arutani ya JSS ni maruganire makiuria thirikari ndikabe kuhitukia mendekithia kuma kuri kamiti ya mwanya ya kuruga ruhonge rwa githomo maria matanyitwo gutegemanio bunge-ini ya bururi 45 ciukite. Makiuga mendekithia maya matirakurana arutani a JSS.
We want some of the issues that are contained in that section of paper to be repealed and be thrown out of the window.
Yes.
Those who are teaching in junior schools are graduates. And there are teachers who would actually qualify to be posted to post-primary education schools.
Correct. We need JSS autonomy, and again, more teachers in junior school will teach special subjects like creative arts.
Arutani aya merekeirie moruru mao kuri atongoria mwe kiama-ini kia NAT aria makoretwo makigeria kumakiria. Riu makiuria President William Ruto ndakahitukie mendekithia maya.
The SG for NAT actually made the members to heckle our Akelo, and that's why we have come here again to raise our grievances.
NAT is salivating profusely for our membership. The Hois are defending capitation money. So as junior school teachers of Uasin Gishu, as members of KUPPET in Uasin Gishu, we are condemning that with strongest terms possible.
Arutani ya JSS kaunti-ini ya Kericho matinatigwo na thutha gwikia mateta mao ndeto-ini ino. Oho makienda thirikari itherie moguni maria mekumana nao gukuruhanio mubango-ini wa marihi ma urigitani SHA kurumirira TSC kwambika mubango wa kweheria arutani kuma mubango-ini wa urigitani wa Minet.
Are we going to be admitted in private wings like what you used to get in Minet? Then if it is a better cover, then teachers we are boarding. But if it is a lesser cover, then we are not boarding.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.